Hi friends, what is the best aspiration in life when it comes to career? I would like to say the only one option, it is nothing but the UPSC Civil Service aspiration. See, it has a spread of around some 24 service. And if someone want to have a best aspiration and the highest aspiration, it's only the UPSC Civil Service aspiration. But very important, there are certain essentials that someone who wants to get prepared for the UPSC Civil Service examination, the prelims, mains, and the interview. It is actually of 3 levels, but every level it is trying to test your personality, and for that, someone need to get prepared. In terms of preparation, someone requires the proper coaching and the guidance. Very important, the material also, and that is why sometimes the institution and the coaching plays a vital role. Even many people used to ask me a question, Sir, can I have a self preparation? Yes, of course. If someone is aware of what is actually the opportunities available in the UPSC, and if they know the orientation of the UPSC and what is the intention and the purpose of asking questions for the prelims, mains, and the interview, if someone is aware of, I don't think they require a coaching. But sometimes in the initial phase during the preparation, you require an institutional coaching and a proper material and also an institution to give an environment of your serious preparation. And that is why I say you require someone to need guided to a long term to get your exams cleared at different levels like prelims examination, mains examination, the interview. For the prelims, again, I said of 100 questions, 2 hours, you need to read the question, you need to understand the question, and you need to answer the question. So, when I was preparing for UPSC, we were given 150 questions of 2 hours. So, we have taken at least it requires, if we had only some 35 seconds. But nowadays, again, 100 questions, that means you have a relaxed time to read, to comprehend, and to answer the question. That is why most of the time the questions are not factual. They're not only to test your knowledge. It is again that a collective comprehension of any subject altogether. Like that is why we meant it's called GS, General Studies. So you require the basic knowledge along with the current affairs to get prepared. And for that, any institution which provides you basic knowledge of 80 to 90%, and again like a topping, if someone is providing you current affairs for that basic knowledge and updated current affairs of any subject like polity, economy, or even science and technology, if they are topping with the current affairs, then it becomes a proper ratio. That is why you require an appropriate institution that to get guided in these factors. Sometimes you require even the appropriate material also. Many times I tell the aspirants, it's very simple. You choose the right material so that you target the questions in a right way, because the question orientation of the UPSC, it's very important to reveal your personality in the best way to get prepared and to express either written or in the interview in the oral form. So a right institution, a right coaching material, and the preparation material, and also choosing the right optional subjects at the right time, and even to practice and to get corrected. All these factors are all the basic factors of the UPSC preparation. So as I said, you require a proper coaching, and that coaching require a proper guidance that what need to be prepared. And even from the UPSC point of view, it is not only just gathering information or processing the knowledge. It is very important that how you express and how best and how comprehensive when you present your answer, either in terms of your optional subjects or a GS. That is why I said for your personality preparation, the best aspiration and the highest aspiration, it is only the UPSC Civil Service that can be the TINA. TINA here meant there is no alternative when it comes to the best and the highest aspiration in terms of career. So all the best, my friends, my dear friends. Keep aspiring and become a civil servant of 24 service category like IAS, IPS, IFS, IRS, and in that way, I wish everyone to get succeeded in proving the personality that they have the capacity to become a civil servant. Thank you. All the best.